Hello, my name is Jean de Dieu Wingabiye, your English teacher, and I'm here with my partner. Today we are going to talk English, a pair conversation. Please, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Aline and I'm here to assist him.
Thank you so much for having accepted to follow us here at Vuga Icyongereza from Rwanda. So let's get started with our normal conversations. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Are you an American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Let's explain the conversation.
Hello.
Hello ni indamukanyo ivuga ngo muraho. Ikoreshwa ku bantu wisanzuyeho.
Hi.
Hi ni igisubizo. Umuntu wabwiye hello ashobora kugusubiza hello cyangwa agakoresha hi. Zombi zirakoreshwa kimwe.
How are you?
How are you bisobanuye ngo umeze ute cyangwa amakuru yawe. Hano twakoresheje ijambo how. Muzagenda muribona ahantu henshi cyane biba bivuga uko ibintu bigenda. Ariko muri iki kiganiro how are you nukuvuga ngo umeze gute. How bisobanuye gute. Twakoreshejemo verb to be. Are you ariko mu kibazo. Iyo tubaza mu Cyongereza dukora turacurika. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo how you are, how are you. Nabigishije verb to be nuba tutayitindaho cyane.
I'm good, how are you?
Icyo ni igisubizo utanga bakubajije ngo how are you. Nukuvuga ngo meze neza. Kimwe hari abantu bakunda kuvuga ngo I'm fine cyangwa kwivugira I'm okay. Byose ni ibisubizo bivuga ko umeze neza. Nawe ukayitubaza ikibazo nka cya kindi ngo how are you, wowe umeze gute.
Good, do you speak English?
Meze neza. Good urumva ko ari kimwe na bya bindi. Ushobora kureka verb to be ukavuga ngo I'm cyangwa se ukavuga ngo